Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight an object in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do first is to open your project. You can simply go to File, Create New Project and choose your aspect ratio. Now, all we need to do is to get the video where we want to highlight an object. And then we need just to drag and drop it. And basically, the first step would be for highlighting is to duplicate your video. Now, we will need just to add a mask. So basically here, make sure that you are applying it on the top video or the video on the top. In here, you will need just to go to mask. So basically now, you will be needing like to mask your objects. And I'm just going for a mask here. And it will be like this. Either you can have none or you can have whatever the mask you'd like. Now you will need just to add like some 5% video, and those are just the scale, width of the mask, etc. Now all we need to do is just to save, or you can just leave it as it is. And basically now we will need just to go to the second video. And basically if we have highlighted this one, you can start like seeing your mask how it shows. So you can hide your mask so you can let the video that you would like. Now we are just going to make this video show. You go to the next video, you go to the keyframe where you want to highlight. I'm just going to color, and basically we will need just to go to exposure. You add a keyframe, and basically in this time or in the time where you want like the object to be highlighted, you will need it just to go to -100. And as you can see, now you can start highlighting your object. So thank you for watching and see you next time.